Sammy.
Okay. You want more?
Yeah.
All right. I'll give you some more. All right. Hold on. Hold on. Here goes. There you are. Yeah.
Do you have like claymation videos?
I'm sure I do. I have every video that you guys ever had. Do you want them?
Well, no, I'd like to put them on for her after we get done.
Okay.
She has developed a big liking for Christmas music.
Really?
Yes.
So, Joy to the World and all that?
She loves Jingle Bells the best.
Jingle bells.
And she likes the I Saw Mommy Kissing Santa Claus.
I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus.
She really likes Jingle Bells and Jingle Bell Rock.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Apparently,
More?
Yeah.
at school, Carlos went to pick her up, and he was watching, and they were singing Jingle Bells.
Yeah.
And all the children were seated, singing, and Sammy was doing this. Jingle Bells!
Were you doing that, Sam? Were you doing that?
Yeah.
Were you? Was it fun? It's going to be kind of a shaky movie. There you are. You got it? All right. Go water some grass. Why don't you water that grass over there? You're just watering mud here.
Oh.
I don't have any on this side, just on that side.
Boy, I watched a movie that I like, and it's in... Go water some grass. Why don't you water that grass over there? You're just watering mud here.
Oh.
I don't have any on this side, just on that side.
Boy, I watched a movie that I like, and it's in widescreen. Of course, in my TV it squashes it down. I said, I need a bigger TV. You all done?
No,
What were you saying?
When Carl told you, like, I don't know, 6 months ago about that TV that was on Craigslist,
Oh, yeah.
50-inch,
Yeah.
I called him the next day,
Uh-huh.
and I told him to go ahead and go and get it for you.
Oh, yeah?
Just not for you to buy it, but for it was going to be for a present.
Yeah.
And he had sold it like... Sam, how'd you get to be so cute? Are you going to water Grandma's shoes?
My mom.
Yeah.
No, you're not.
Especially the
Go
top
to
part.
those shoes on
Yeah.
okay?
The top.
I'll get Mama.
Right over the lip of the
Where are those?
tongue.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, right on the top.
Okay. Now go to Grandpa's. Go get Grandpa's
I want
shoes.
some more money.
Alright.
And Mama's shoes. Grandma's not going to shoes.
Grandma getting cold.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're
You gonna fill up the bowl?
riding in the runner place. Giddy up, sing a horse, horse to pick up you.
Oh, did I fill it too?
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle
Oops, the battery's dying.
Mama,
Grandma's up there.
Hi, Sammy. Hey, baby.
Sam, look up. Yeah, this is, doesn't do it justice.
Yeah. Okay. We might close the door. Why?
Why do we have to close the door? Grandma's sleeping.
Slam, Grandma sleeping all right.
Doodle 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 doodle.
And where did you learn that? Them. Where'd you learn that?
You like to jump on the bed when Daddy's sleeping, huh? Wake him up.
Is that how you wake Dad up?
You jump on him.
Well, that works pretty good.
I'm go horse.
You gonna go on the horse again?
I want to get.
Yeah, that's fast. That's fast. Wow, that was a quick trip.
I jump.
You gonna jump again?
That was a quick trip.
You getting tired, huh? Someone's gonna fall asleep during Christmas light watching.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah, we don't hit that. You like that?
That's a bouncy
That
bed.
drop bound, whatever they call that. Yeah. Remember the trampoline?
Yes.
Yeah, that horse even has a tail.
Yeah.
That horse's name is, well, I guess we could say it's Toby, but
That horse was for Toby. Your great Uncle Nick made that.
Uncle, yeah, great Uncle Nick, yeah.
Where's the go cover?
What?
You want to jump?
Did you know this bed was in here, Sam? Did she know this was in here? Somebody's ticklish. Somebody's ticklish.
Again.
Ready? 1, 2, I see a pattern here. Jump! Jumpy, jumpy, jumpy! Wow!
Your turn.
My turn?
Yeah.
No, Grandpa's turn.
Come with this. Your
Grandpa's turn. Alright, I don't think I'll fit on there. Boy, Nick really made this one strong. Wow.
Yes, Sam?
Watch your fingers, Sam.
Watch your fingers.
Yes, Sam?
Time to get up.
I'm going to sleep.
Gonna sleep?
That's a fake sleep if I've ever seen one.
Boy, what a faker.
You go sleep with me.
I'm not tired.
You tired?
Are you tired? No.
I'm late.
You're late. Up and washing my face in the sink and look up, and the other one apparently had got another one and it flipped it over, hanging down from the windowsill thing.
So you got two.
So I got two, and then we didn't have any more, so I had to go buy some more. Put them back up, see if there's any more.
Oh, these aren't the snap?
They are, but neither of us
all done.
has the stomach to get the mouth out.
We do that too.
Look at Grandpa's riding the rocking horse.
Wow.
See? Oh, gotta move your fingers.
Finger out also.
Get your fingers away.
Let's come.
Grandpa's riding the horse. No, you gotta move your hands. Here, move your hands, Sam.
Take your fingers
No,
off
I
the
first.
Yeah, that's fine, but you can't see out of it because you have your fingers on it, Tammy. Move your finger. Move this finger.
It's me.
So you need to be able to see out of it. There you go. Now point it at Grandpa. Move your finger. Sweetie, move your finger.
There you go.
Here, hold it like this. There you go. See?
Whee! Ride 'em, cowboy.
Point it at Grandpa. Point it at Grandpa.
Whee! Yippee-yi-yo.
Look at Cowboy Grandpa.
This is a little battery.
Yeah, it is. Alright, we're going to stop it, Sam. We have to turn this. Careful on the edge, Sam.
Yeah, don't go off the edge, honey. It's a long way down.
Not so close. No, don't do that. No, I said no. No kick. Oh!
I didn't.
Domino will bite you. Sammy, watch the edge.
What's the Don't go off.
I'll go kiss you.
That's a kitty, Sam.
That's
That's a kitty. Domino's like, what the heck?
See what you missed when you got given away, Dom?
You could go through this hour after hour every day.
Okay. Night night.
Night night.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You put all those pennies back?
No, I can't.
You can't.
No.
Took them all out. Should be able to put them all back. Now what do you...
No.
Are you sure?
No.